The Oculus Quest 2 is now official, and you can read our full review below. Today though, we're going to take you through a full unboxing of what you'll be getting on October 13th. Alright, here we are. Quest 2, as you can clearly see on the box from Facebook, which is slightly glowed out there thanks to the thin plastic film covering on the cardboard. It's a pretty simple design. You've got your new touch controllers right here and of course the headset itself. Now this box leaked earlier in the week and a lot of people said it was fake and we were kind of laughing a bit about that. Okay, so let's flip it over to see what else is going on here, and you can see some completely new games on the back of the box like Star Wars Tales from the Galaxy's Edge, which is coming soon, Population 1, The Climb 2, which is one we didn't know about beforehand, and Jurassic World Aftermath. You can check out the trailers for all of those games in this card to the top right. So the Quest we've got in the box is the 64GB version, but you can also get a 256GB version. Now let's take off the plastic and get into the good stuff. The box itself has a great cardboard feel and it slips out easily like so. And opening up the top, there it all is. You can see some simple instructions for getting it all ready on the lid. Let's start with the Quest 2 itself, and right underneath is the glasses spacer. Anyway, we have a card explaining how the lenses can be moved for IPD adjustment. There's also a layer of film around the white sides of the headset itself. It's easy to pull off, as are the lenses, and here it is in all its glory. Back to the glasses protector, it also has a small bit of cardboard attached explaining how to use it. Now we're moving on to the touch controllers here. Again, you can read our full impressions below. And the last thing in the box is this cute little package of manuals including the reference guide and the Oculus Quest 2 warranty. There's also the USB-C charging plug and cable, although notably it's not long enough for the Oculus Link connection, so you'll need to buy a second USB-C cable if you really want to be using Quest 2 on your PC. After an extra little check, yep, nothing else here. Quickly going back to the controllers, there's a little tab you're going to have to pull out. It's a bit tough as you can see, and inside are Mitsubishi AA batteries. This thing so far has lasted me well over 15 hours and the readings are still at 100%, so that's a big increase in battery life. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out our other Quest 2 coverage here, including the very first Quest 2 graphics comparison, and also make sure to subscribe. We'll see you later.